Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and we've got a little bit of a ambiguity here between the cash, the front month, and the continuation Bollinger Bands. The cash bands hit their lower band yesterday, and their lower band ride is continuing. The front month bands also hit the lower band. That lower Bollinger Band ride is continuing. Here on the continuation chart, we didn't hit the band. Now, I need to make a distinction, and it's the same thing I told my members last night. The end of the band does not equal the end of the week price action. A band ride is just a way that price action that begins with very tight Bollinger Bands with compression of price plays out. Okay, and it played out here for just about 6 days. Where do we go from here? Well, let's go back to May and the upper band ride in May. Again, compression. We come out. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and then we don't quite hit it here. Do hammers here and hammers here. So basically, we take 3 days off from the bands, and then price goes up and kind of flags a little bit. Price goes up to hit, and then we do 3 more days of the upper band. Is that what's going to happen here? Which would mean just in the micro, in the intraday sense, it would mean we're going to keep selling rallies. All rallies have been sold. If you're not selling rallies, you're not getting out of your trading day right now what you need to get out of your trading day. It's okay to be long these little pops, but you have to be long them with a mind to sell them. And don't be greedy, because they'll reverse on you. They'll go red, and then you'll be sitting there saying, well, I bought the dip, but the last 5 or 6 days it hasn't been a buy the dip market. You can't, well, let me go back. You can buy the dip, but you have to sell it. You can't buy the dip and hold it. It's not a come in at 10:15, 10:30 in the morning, buy the dip, and then watch it grind all the way into the close. That's not happening right now. That's a buy the dip market, okay? Where you come in and you say, okay, this hammer candle right here, like this green day that moved up to the middle band, I guarantee you just about everybody held that who was a confirmed dip buyer, waiting for the V bottom and the higher high. When the middle band shut the door the next day, this officially became a sell rallies market, and that played out on Friday, and it definitely played out Monday, Tuesday. All those rallies were sold. However, wherever we closed on the daily price range spectrum, it continues to be sell rallies. So the way it played out yesterday was, here, I'll show you. Okay, here's a 5-minute chart of yesterday. Here's the open. Where are we here? 9:30. So here's the open. Off the open, we get a little pop. We head down and we print 62.75, which was a tick short of our proprietary lower level in the ES. We go ahead and we bounce there, and the bounce makes a higher low, and we begin to rip higher. Now, the trap that people fall into is they say, whoa, 62 to 78, the bears are dead, like they've always been dead. We're not going back down. I'm not giving this up. I'm up 16 handles. Are you crazy? I'm not going to take profits. And what I'm telling you now is you have got to take profits. Don't get rid of all of it. Keep a runner. But you've got to take profits, because we're coming back down. The rally's going to get sold. We get up to our proprietary upper level yesterday. I think I tweeted all this out, up at 78.25, and we failed right on the dot. Didn't get back over it, and we took it all the way back down, and then we made lower lows and lower lows into the close. They rallied this one up right into the last half hour trading up to 70, 75. So basically a solid 9-handle rally that completely round tripped by the time we got into Globex. So you have got to sell rallies. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.